Welcome back. In this video, which is the last of working with our master template, we are going to edit the metadata, and that is data that is embedded into the web page for search engines like Google to help identify your page with certain keywords. So to do this, I'm going to have my master template open, and then I'm going to go ahead and switch to code view. Now I need to scroll all the way to the top of the page, and you'll see at the very top we have the document type, we have our opening HTML tab, and then we have our meta tags. So the first one you leave alone, it's the content type, but the next two you'll notice are description and keywords, and these are the two we need to change. So if you place the text cursor anywhere inside the meta tag with the name description, you'll see the properties panel change and I have a little description box here. So if you click down in the white text box, you can write the description for the page. So for this particular page, I'm going to write that it's the home page for our CalStateLA Futurist page. The description can be as long as you want or as short, but it should be relatively concise about what the page actually has as content. This particular description will need to be changed for every page that's made from the master template because each page will have a different selection of content. Next is the keyword. So if I click on the meta tag up here in code view, you notice that the content changed in our meta tag above it when I clicked back into code view. So you'll see that we have our content here, and we'll get a keywords box. So I can go ahead and click down here to type in our keywords. Keywords are simple, single, or double word phrases that can be used to search for this particular page. So this being a CalStateLA website, I'm going to go ahead and put CSULA. Now to separate keywords, we use a comma. So I can put comma, and then maybe because we're talking about the Futurist Club and we'll be talking about space a lot, I'm going to go ahead and put space. Maybe I should be a little bit more descriptive and put outer space. I could also put something like CalStateLA. Anything that you think someone searching a search engine might type in and like to find your page. Again, these are probably going to be updated for every page, depending on what the content is. You should have a good set of keywords that will be consistent for every page you create. Now this is for search engine optimization, so it's a very important technique to make sure your page gets out there to the public.